Hello everyone, Dr. Gireesan, and this is again regarding my introduction to my YouTube channel, and this is the second video for that. The first video is already over with explaining about astrology and tarot cards. And now, a brief about the introduction. See, I believe that human belief system or human everything connected with the human is changed into two different hemispheres. One is the belief of science and logic, that is the half of the hemisphere. The other half is spiritual sciences or the sciences beyond human comprehension. And the predictive sciences unfortunately now falls within the second half. Actually, the astronomy, Varaha Mihiran, his name is started, Varaha is added into his name because of astrology. He was an astronomer and an astrology. And actually, astronomy is a small part of astrology, astrology being the bigger science. Anyway, that is debatable, maybe debatable. But anyway, I'm moving on to my channel. So the aim of my channel is the gateway. My channel is Gateway to the Hidden Knowledge, Mysticism and Eve. It is for them. It is a channel of mysticism and Eve. There is science, there is metaphysics, there is predictive sciences, there is ancient cultures, and there is creative artificial intelligence. So it is a crucible where you can churn out anything, any information, any science. The whole idea is that you come to that channel, see the videos, and be a new person with a new understanding, entering into a new dimension of life. Okay, so currently, it will be dealing with Vedic astrology, tarot cards, and golden ratio, and feng shui, dream interpretation. So today's, maybe now I am going to tell about other science other than Vedic astrology and tarot cards, because it is already covered in the first video. So as I told in the first video, this golden ratio is a thread, okay, which is from the cell's DNA structure to the top, the cosmos or the universe or the ever expanding universe. Everything is ruled by a single, hidden, unknown, unexplored ratio, that is the golden ratio. So that is a connecting chain which itself shows that beyond human comprehension there is something, some mysticism, which is across the universe. So you know that this is all based upon the geometrical structures. So even human body, human anatomy, nature, flora and fauna, everywhere the golden ratio persists. The golden ratio manifests. The golden ratio is hidden. So it is, we can think about that. If there is a change, it is all are dynamic. The plants are growing, the animals are growing, there are living organisms. There is a dynamic change happening everywhere. The universe, the planets are moving at a fast speed, low speed, going into maybe a black hole or becoming a white dwarf. So many things, so many mysteries. So in these mysteries, the common thread is some sort of a golden thread, that is a golden ratio. Okay. Now what I am going to talk about now is how the different predictive sciences are dealing with this golden thread. The predictive sciences are in our subconscious mind. And every moment some sort of a chemical reaction, biochemical reaction is happening, and some sort of a emotional enzymes are being produced or something is happening. This biochemistry is changing of the body. So those biochemistry changes and the universal geometrical changes, how it will be affecting each other. So that is the study, that is the research. Okay, now this topic this time is dream interpretation and corporate vastu. So in the dream interpretation, Sigmund Freud, he has written a book of interpretation of dreams. So he himself thought, and the ancient many civilizations thought that dreams are our indicators for the future, and also the dreams can be induced. So you want to see a dream that you are in see somewhere in beach enjoying the sun, it can be induced and you can see that particular dream. Okay, so like that, the dreams, what is that in your, from your subconscious mind, whatever is hidden there, whatever is coming, those are coming out to the forefront. And those forefront, whatever is coming of, maybe it may be hidden fears, it may be love, or it may be some other mysterious emotions. So those emotions or those can be read, as well as there is a connection with the universe where maybe parted ancestors is trying to help you by giving some signs. Okay, so indications. So that signs and indications, that is being read by the dream interpreter. What you have to do from your end, you have to do, keep a dream diary, understand that immediate what are the dreams, what are the symbols, numbers, words appearing, or the symbols means whether animal symbols or maybe the departed ancestors are coming out. What is your emotion, what is your feeling, just write it across and see that after maybe this dream diary, keeping the dream diary, you know that exactly after a dream what is going to happen to you, and the dream interpreter will clearly analyze it and tell you, especially on the recurring dreams. Okay, that is about the dream analysis. And the next is corporate vastu. Again, what is corporate vastu? Again, I told you the good fortune lies in the golden ratio, which is universal, which is made by the God, and which is manifesting everywhere. So if you are also aligning yourself to that particular geometrical structure or that particular geometrical or the universal golden thread, so you will be almost having a divine intervention of your future, which is for good, or good fortune will be flowing into you. So now my main thing is for the corporate vastu is the subject. So corporate vastu, the thing is that, see, I told you that this golden ratio manifests in nature, in human body, in flora, in fauna, in cosmos, in DNA structure, in atom. So why can't your factory be like a golden ratio? Factory be, see, the corporate principle of the building will be in a corporate ratio. And also the vastu or the Indian vastu principles. So what happens is that where is your administration, or where is your finance, where is your working factories, all that can be defined, the layout can be fixed, so that you will get the maximum possible energy out. Also the feng shui principle also can be incorporated. So the total about the corporate vastu is how the creative artificial intelligence can be used to integrate these ancient sciences together, so that all these ancient sciences of good fortune reflects in your layout, in your factory, so that this factory will never fail. Or this whatever is your outlet, not only a factory, it can be your hotel, it can be a restaurant, it can be a building, it can be a city, it can be a country also. So wherever the basic principles of feng shui, vastu, golden ratio, and all this is putting into a crucible and churning out the real corporate vastu, what is the layout. So that is what the aim of the integrating AI with the ancient principles of vastu and all that. You know that many buildings like all the ancient Roman buildings, plus the pyramid of Egypt, and even Qutub Minar, Eiffel Tower, even recently the UN building, and also many of them are on the golden ratio principle. Okay, now this is the second video showing about the introduction. So I have covered another 2 topics and many more topics to cover. This will take you into a world of mysticism and awe, a gateway to hidden knowledge. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you very much.